Hello friends, welcome all of you in my channel S&T Power Vision. In this video, we'll solve about the last 5 questions of the RS Agrawal class 10th real number exercise 1B here. So let's start here. So question number 23, find the least number of square tiles required to pave the ceiling of a room 15 meter 17 centimeter long and 9 meter 2 centimeter broad here. So we'll see here. Question number 23 here. So this is just a area here. Its length is 15 meter 17 centimeter and 9 meter 2 centimeter. It is saying that there is square tiles like normally we have seen on the flooring and all we see the square tiles like that. So what should be the total like exact number of like here question is find the least length of cloth. No. So find the least number of square tiles required to pave the ceiling of a room 15 centimeter. So it's asking like that what is the minimum number of tiles square here. So we'll find the SCF of the like both the length here 15 meter 17 centimeter and 9 meter 2 centimeter here. So here we'll change it to first 15 meter 17 centimeter equal to 1517 centimeter equal to 37 into 41. After that 9 meter 2 centimeter equal to 902 centimeter. So its factor will be 2 into 11 into 41. So SCF equal to 41 here. So means this is the size of the each square. So it is asking like that how many tiles we required here. So for that we'll find the number of tiles. Means minimum area should be 41 into 41 and total area is area of each tile is equal to 41 into 41. After that total number of tile is equal to 41 here. So we'll cut this 41 into this 41, 22. After that so we'll multiply 37 into 22. So this is 814. Number of tiles required here. So next question is 3 measuring rods are 64 centimeter. Question number 24 here. 3 measuring rods are 64 centimeter 80 centimeter and 96 centimeter in length. Find the least length of cloth that can be measured an exact number of times using any of the rods here. So here we will find the LCM of the three number here. So required length is equal to LCM of 64, 80 and 96. So we go for it. 64 का prime factor will be 2 to the power 5, 2 to the power 6 here. After that 80 is equal to 2 to the power 4 into 5. 96 is equal to 2 to the power 5 into 3. So LCM is equal to 2. We will take the highest of the 2 to the power 6 into 5 into 3. So 64 into 15 4 jar 60, then 60 centimeter here. So this is the minimum length required so that the cloth that can be measured an exact number of times using any of the rods here. So question number 25 here. An electric device makes a beep after every 60 seconds and another device makes a beep of every 62 seconds. They beep together at 10 am. So at what time they will keep together at the earliest here? Suppose there is beep B1. This is at 60-second frequency here, means after every 60 seconds this beep once here. After there is beep 2. Like this interval is 62 seconds here, means after every 62 seconds this beep means make a beep sound here. So question is they beep together at 10 am. So when the next time both the means beep will make a beep sound together here. So for that we'll make the LCM of the both the number 60 and 62. So we'll go for the LCM. 60 is equal to 2 into 2. 62 is equal to 2 into 31. So LCM is equal to 2 into 2. Answer is 1860 seconds here. If we divide into the minute, since this answer come into the seconds, so 1860 divided by 60 is equal to 31 minute. So next time from 10 am to another 31 minute, this will beep together here. So next beep time is 10:31 am. So you have to mention whether am or pm. 26 here. The traffic light at three different road crossing changes after every. So normally we see traffic light. So it is saying the traffic light at three different road crossing changes after every 48 seconds, 72 seconds, and 10 8 seconds here. So if they all changes simultaneously at 8 a.m. So then at what time they will again change simultaneously here. So this kind of question we have to always go for LCM here. So we'll go for LCM of 48, 72, 108 here. So we'll go for the prime factor here. 48 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 3. So LCM equal to 2 to the power 4 into 3 cube for 32 seconds here. If we change this for 32 into minute, so answer will be 7 minute 12 second here. So since the first time beep at 8 a.m., so next time it will beep again at 8 hour 7 minute 12 second again here. Now, so last question here. Six ball commence tolling together and toll at interval of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 minutes respectively. In 30 hours, how many times they toll together here? So toll interval is question number 27. So toll interval is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 here. So it is asking, so what means in 30 hours, how many times do they toll here? Suppose at 9 a.m., just take an example here, they toll first time. So now question is, in 30 minutes from 9 a.m. to another 30 hours, how many time both means all the uh, bell will means ring at the same time here. So we'll go for the LCM of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 here. So answer will be 2 square into 3 into 5 is equal to, sorry, it is 2 cube here because 8 here now. 2 cube into 3 at 120 minute here. So it is 30 hours equal to 30 into 60 divided by 120. 4. Since at 9 a.m. this is ring the first time here, so we'll make 1 plus 15 is equal to 16 here. It means in the total 30 hours, all the bill will ring together at the same time and 16 times here. So this is all about the exercise 1b here, real number here. Now we move to the next exercise, that is irrational number and rational number. Thank you.